Number 11. Which of the following answer choices is equivalent to 47 plus 35? So to add these two numbers, let's use long addition. Let's add 47 and 35. So we're going to add these numbers column by column, starting from the right. So first, 7 plus 5, what is that? Now, we could use the number line to add 7 and 5. Let's say this is 0. 5 spaces to the right will be 5, and then we're going to add 7 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Now to write it, we're going to write the first number 2, carry over the 1. Now we're going to add up the numbers in this column. 3 plus 4 plus 1. If you want to use a number line, here's 3. We could travel 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4 would take us to 7. And then if we go one more to add 1, it'll take us to 8. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8. The final answer is going to be 82. And you could confirm it with your calculator. So C is going to be the correct answer choice. 47 plus 35 is 82.